So today, the moment we have all been waiting for, the shop build. Alright, so we just picked up some supplies. We got the whole crew out here. They're all doing work. The boys are getting here. Dang, you boys are just moving right along.
Up on that end down there?
Yep. Alright, so the UPS man just arrived. I think he's got what we need, something for the Hellcat. We got a commotion going on today. We got everybody helping, man, but it's awesome. This is an exciting day. Stuff is getting worked on. Oh man, not the dash? That's alright. I think it's something for the Mustang maybe. Spoiler, or maybe something for the Hellcat. We'll open that up later. Dang it, I was hoping they'd bring that dash. But I called the guys and they said either Monday or it'll probably be Monday. Perfect. So that's fine. Let's get to working on the shop, man. Dang, son. I should be helping right now. little update from the rooftop. It is coming along. The frame is almost done. Now we're ready to put on the roof panels. Alright guys, so we worked into the night, man. We got a good bit of it done. Man, it was a crazy day today. We learned something new. We decided to put up the building ourselves because there's gonna be like 3 weeks or up to a month out before the guys can actually put it up. But we decided to put it up ourselves pretty much because we got some good buddies that...
And we're Goonzquad.
Hey, we're Goonzquad, and we got some good buddies that decided to help out. They used to do stuff like that, so appreciate you, Dave, Zach, Bradley. I didn't get the other guy's name.
Shout out to everybody.
Shout out to everybody who helped. I know you're gonna watch this video, so shout out, huge shout out. Guys, man, this building is gonna be awesome. A lot bigger than we thought it was gonna be, but man, this thing is just gonna be absolutely massive.
Go big or go home.
Go big or go home, man. So I guess we're gonna catch you guys probably in the morning. I don't know if this video is gonna go up tomorrow or maybe the next day. I don't know. Peace. We'll catch you guys then. Guys, this is the next day here, man. We got a good bit done yesterday. I was climbing up on that roof, screwing them in. It's pretty sketchy up there. That's like 18 feet at the peak, 14 feet at the sides, right? Or how many feet?
It looks massive. It looks bigger.
This thing is huge. We're also thinking about doing like a little loft area right there, right?
Yeah, we have about like, I think about 6 to 7 feet of open area right here for like office space, editing or something.
It's gonna be
we
sick.
Might do a loft up there. You know,
little walkway going up, and then
like
right there, something.
We'll see when we get
the walls when we start getting it up. We're still gonna do some work today, but that'll probably be a next video. I just want to do a little update for you guys because
we're busy,
man. Yeah, we're just super busy. We're running around and getting stuff done, trying to build this shop. As you can see here, it is coming along great. We're gonna do some work today. Try to get this other half of the roof up, and then start doing the walls. We're gonna have to frame out the garage doors. The garage doors,
going with 10 by 10, so we can pull anything in. Basically, that's a good size for
pretty much
a lifted truck or a Jeep.
Yeah, so it's gonna be perfect. We're gonna do some welding. We're gonna reinforce it, make it stronger than just I guess they come standard. So
oh yeah, we're gonna make this thing a beast. This thing is massive, absolutely.
And it is huge.
It's perfect for a lift. That's what we wanted. We wanted to get a garage big enough for a lift, and I'm sure we got.
Yeah, we got plenty. I mean, that's super tall. Look at the forklift. We lift the forklift all the way up, and that's the peak right there.
Yeah, it doesn't go no higher, so it came in clutch with that forklift.
It is perfect, man. I cannot wait to have this thing complete.
We are just excited as you guys because this thing is going to be awesome. We want to deck this place out. We want to make it look. We want to give it the Goonzquad touch inside.
Oh yeah,
this garage.
oh yeah. Go bring that kitty out, that Hellcat. I wanted to see it. Yeah, let's go see that. It's something very unique and awesome. Man, a good buddy of ours hooked us up. Shout out to Austin. But look at that. That is sick. CNC or plasma cut or late water cut, jet cut.
Water jet.
Look at them clean cuts, man. That's gonna be something that's gonna go up in the shop. We're gonna paint it up, make it look, you know, maybe put some LEDs behind it, make it illuminate.
I don't know, but this thing's a beast. Look at that.
Dude, that is so sick.
Can't wait to hang that up. And it's a little first thing that goes into a shop right here. First little piece. So guys, stay tuned to watch this shop come alive, man. This has been a goal of ours for a very long time. The real OG subscribers from way back then know how we started. We work outside every day for every one of our videos. We're always in the weather. Rain don't stop us. Any type of weather situation never stopped us. So now we can put out better and more content for you guys, because now we're gonna have lights, we're gonna have a lift and everything, all of our tools, everything, man. It's gonna be very, very fun to work in here, I think.
So none of this would be possible without you guys, our subscribers, our 450,000 strong subscriber army. You guys are what motivate us every day to produce content, and you guys got us to this point right here. And also thank you to all the Patreons, all the people that support us on the GoFundMe page. You guys are helping this become a true dream for us. From this point on, be ready to see change and improvement in our channel. Our channel is going to be more creative, and we're going to bring you some of the best content on YouTube. So be sure to follow us on Instagram at Goonzquad. You get the inside scoop there before YouTube. Also, be sure to visit Goonzquad.com, copy some merch, and support your boys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.